Welcome to the FiberSeal Fabric Care Kit instructions video. Your local FiberSeal service center protected some of your soft surfaces and supplied you with the Fabric Care Kit. We'll discuss each product and its use. However, you may not have received all of the items mentioned in this video. Some fabrics and floor coverings you had protected may not be suitable for all of the kit items and have been removed by your local FiberSeal service center. The products found in the kit are the Fabric Sponge number 3, Clean Tech number 4, a dry cleaning solvent, Phenomenal number 5, a water-based spot remover, and Color Renew number 6, another water-based spot remover. Phenomenal packets for refilling the Phenomenal bottle. Finally, and maybe the most important item in the kit, is the Ultimate Spot and Spill Removal Guide. It is very important before you attempt to remove any spot or spill to call your local FiberSeal service center for guidance, especially if it's your first time using the kit. Read all the instructions carefully and make sure if you spill a liquid, blot immediately using a white terry or paper towel by pressing it into the spot. Never rub. You may need more than one towel. Keep blotting until all the liquid has been removed. Before using any FiberSeal brand products, you should do a color fastness test. To do it, apply a small amount of the cleaning agent to an inconspicuous area. Let stand for 5 minutes. Gently wipe with a white terry towel. If any color movement or unusual change is detected, stop and call your local FiberSeal service center. Next in the spotting guide, you'll find the steps to remove various types of stains. Number 1 is vacuum. It's used to eliminate dry matter, such as powder, ashes, pollen, and dry mud. Number 2 is blot and lift. Blot liquids never rub, and lift solids such as dirt, food, and Play-Doh. Number 3 is the fabric sponge, used on fabrics with dry powders, kick marks, ashes, soot, and scuffs. Use the fabric sponge in only one direction at a time, not back and forth. Number 4 is Clean Tech, which is used for stains like grease, butter, and oily substances. Number 5 is Phenomenal, which is used for water-based spots and spills. Number 6 is Color Renew, used to remove the last traces of spots, such as cellulosic browning, coffee, and urine. Let's walk you through an example of removing a common coffee spill. Find coffee on the list. Then move over to the floor coverings column, and the numbers are 2, 5, and 6. Using a folded white terry or paper towel, follow the instructions for number 2, which are to blot the affected area. Continue to blot until there's no more coffee transferring to the towel. If the spot is completely gone, you're done. No need to continue to numbers 5 or 6. If there's still some color from the coffee left in the carpet, and after you've done a color fastness test, apply 5, Phenomenal, to a clean area of the terry towel and press it into the affected area. Do not rub. Lift the towel and see if any of the coffee has transferred to the towel. Continue until no more coffee is transferring to the towel. If the spot is gone, stop. There's no need to continue to number 6. If there's still some color from the coffee left in the carpet, apply 6, Color Renew, to a clean area of the terry towel and press it to the affected area. Remember, do not rub. Lift the towel and see if any of the coffee has transferred to the towel. Continue until no more of the coffee is transferring to the towel. Let the area dry as everything looks darker when wet. If the spot remains after it dried, call your local FiberSeal service center. Now let's try another. This time, a soot spot from your favorite candle that's fallen on your sofa cushion. Find soot in the list, move over to the upholstery column, and the numbers are 1, vacuum, and 3, fabric sponge. Using the appropriate attachment or hose, try vacuuming the affected area. If the soot spot is gone, you're done. No need to go to the next number. If some of the soot remains, go to the next number 3, which is the fabric sponge. Lightly move the fabric sponge over the affected area several times in one direction. Then, with a different part of the fabric sponge and in a different direction, go over the affected area again several times. Repeat until no more soot remains. And be sure not to scrub or move the fabric sponge in a back and forth motion, as it can cause fabric abrasion. If there's any spot remaining, please call your local Fiber Seal Service Center. And finally, on the back side of the Ultimate Spot and Spill Removal Guide, you'll find some useful tips for keeping your furnishings looking their best. Thank you for watching the Fiber Seal Fabric Care Kit instructions video. We hope you found it useful. Remember that your local Fiber Seal Service Center is just a phone call away if you need any help removing spots and spills.